Hello guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your store address on Shopify. Once you're on your Shopify account, simply click the settings gear on the lower left hand side. And from here, you want to go to where it says billing. Click on billing on the left hand side. Now, from here, you will scroll down and you will not see anything related to your current billing. So how do you do that? You can simply click the pencils icon towards where you have your credit card. You will see it right next to primary. If you have only one card there, just simply click on that pencil icon and it's going to really edit all of this billing section here. So from here, you can scroll down. You will see the option here on the address and currency. You can click to manage both. So if you want to change the currency, you can change that. To change the address or the store address, simply click on manage and that's going to go ahead and edit it. However, you can always find this as well under the general section, because if you go to the general, you'll also find where you have that. And here you can see the billing address. You can click on that. So you can access it both from both location. Let's put it like that. This is where it is. You can go ahead and you can change it. Once you change whatever it is, let me go ahead and just kind of write something there. You can see that it gives me the option to save. Right now, as I said, you can find it under general. You can also find it under billing, and under the billing section, you just want to edit your credit card details and it's going to make it available to you at the bottom there. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.